In this problem, we need to simplify the complex fraction. So I'm going to start with 5 over 1 minus x over y, and then x squared over y squared minus 25 over 1. So that way everything is a fraction, and I find the least common denominator, and that's going to be y squared, because my denominators are 1, y, and y squared. So y squared is that least common denominator. And I multiply the numerator by y squared over 1 and the denominator by y squared over 1. And then I go ahead and distribute, and I have 5 over 1 times y squared over 1 minus x over y times y squared over 1 over x squared over y squared times y squared over 1, and finally minus 25 over 1 times y squared over 1. Okay, so now we can do our simplifying. 5 over 1 times y squared over 1 is just 5y squared minus, and y and y squared cancel and make a y. So I have x times y. And that's all over. Let's see. We can divide both top and bottom by y squared. Those cancel out. So I just have x squared minus 25y squared. Okay, so far so good, but I can do some factoring. So let's see if that factoring gives me something where I can cancel. So factor out a y from 5y squared minus xy, and that gives me 5y minus x. And then in the denominator, I have x squared minus 25y squared, and that's going to factor into x. And x, 25y squared, 5y, and 5y, and 1 is plus and 1 is minus. So now I can cancel these two, but it cancels to make a negative 1. So that gives me a negative y in the numerator and x plus 5y in the denominator. And that's my final answer.